What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com. Going to show you how you can get paid to leave a 15-second video response. Very simple, very easy to do. I'm going to show you in this video how to get it done. Just to give you a quick overview of how it goes. They're going to ask you a question like you'll see here. I have questions and I'm going to answer it in a video response. So all it'll do is just I'll record myself answering the question, and then really within seconds I'll get paid. All of these questions pay anywhere between 50 cents to $1. $1 is usually the most, and 50 cents is the least amount that you will get for your video response. So, I mean, it really beats surveys. It's really quick, easy money. I will show you video proof of my last payment that I got from this app. So to show you that it is legit, then I recommend you start using it. So I'm gonna get started here by clicking on the first question, and you'll see here what it asks me. We'd like you to tell us about the last time you switched energy providers. When was this? Which energy provider did you switch from and to, and why? How satisfied are you with your current energy provider, and why? So basically, when you're answering the question, you want to be as detailed as possible. When I mean as detailed as possible, just answer all of what they're asking here. And so I'm going to do that by clicking Start Task. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just fast forward me actually answering the question. But I did this answer the question in 15 seconds, basically. So now I'm going to scroll down, just making sure everything is good, make sure it kind of lines up. Then I'm going to upload it, all right? After you upload it, it'll take a few seconds to upload or whatever, but they will review it. And like I said, it doesn't take that long to get paid. They usually always credit you. Only time they won't credit you if you didn't answer the question. So now I have another question. You see there's worth 0 points, or zero amount of money. I don't really care about those. I don't get paid for them. So I'm going to answer the next question. You'll see here, same thing. You just want to make sure that you're answering all the questions that they have. Just make sure your video response is at least 15 seconds. So again, I'm going to click Start Task and just, kind of just overview of what I'm doing again. I'm going to actually fast forward that as well. So I already did my video response. So I'm going to upload it now again. And so basically for these two questions I've answered, I shouldn't have got $1. So now I'm going to go back to the home page, and you'll see there, no questions left that are worth any money. So now I'm going to show you how you can get more money. So you'll see here at the top, survey, answer these questions, see if you qualify to take part in this survey or to take part in this study. So that's how you basically get more questions sent to you when it kind of goes dry and there's no questions. So, sometimes you'll just continue to go through the app and they'll just randomly give you a question. But if you don't, like this situation, you just click on that and you just go through and kind of answer some questions. Maybe they'll find you a survey that kind of lines up with your answers from things like this. I kind of, relate this to kind of like your profile or whatever. So you have to answer these from time to time just so you can get more. You don't never want to just not answer them, because sometimes you might just, never get any questions, and then you might think the app is not making any money and it's not worth it anymore. So you see there an answer, you may be eligible for new questions. New questions may appear soon. So when they say soon, it might mean in the next couple seconds, or it might mean the next couple days. So it just really depends. Usually it won't be more than a week. I mean, a week is too long. So just going back, you'll see here those last two questions I answered, both were 50 cents. I got paid for them. So now it is in my history. You see there, I have $11.06. You can cash out at $15 with this site. So, I mean, you see here how easy it was. Like I said, all you're doing is just basically recording yourself answering the questions for at least 15 seconds. So now I'm going to go back to the questions part. And you see there, I got one that's exclusive and it's worth $1. So again, I'm doing the same thing I did with those 50-cent questions. Just click on it. Just see what the question is. Make sure, when I, before I record my response, kind of think about what I'm going to say. That way I'm kind of, fumbling through the whole video response or whatever. So going to click Start Task. And again, just going to fast forward the part where I actually, do the recording. But again, after you do that, you just upload it. Wait for it to upload. And now we'll just upload it. And you see there, I just kind of fast forward. It took probably like, a few minutes, but I got credited $1 for that. So now I have $12.06. So you see how easy this app is. All you're doing is just answering questions and video response. Is not anything that you will disqualify for. So like I said earlier, the only time you won't actually be able to get paid for it is if you don't answer the question, or, that's really the only reason I can see you not getting credited for it. I think Every question that I've answered on here since I've had this app, I've gotten credit for. I've never had that problem, but I think, someone did tell me in the past that, they didn't get credited because they didn't answer the question, appropriately, or they didn't answer the question right at all. So just make sure you're answering the question to see what it says. Just at least 15 seconds. That's another thing. If your video response is not at least 15 seconds, you won't be able to submit it. So just make sure you meet that 15-second minimum. The maximum time for your video response is $1. So just be mindful of that. But regardless of all of that, it is very, very simple to use. I will leave the link to it to sign up. You can use it on your phone, use it on your tablet, whatever you wish to use it on. Start making money with this very easy app, very cool app. All you gotta do is get $15 to cash out. So this will not take you long to get $15. You see, if you're getting paid anywhere between 50 cents to $1 to answer questions, you can really rack up your money really fast with this app. So again, the link to it is in the description. If you're interested in making even more money, visit my website, pennies1000s.com, and that way you can see all the apps and websites that I use to make money online. And if you're interested in making big money online, I'm talking about $150 every single day, I encourage you to book a one-on-one session with me. I will leave the link to that in the description as well, where I can show you how I make over $150 every single day. I can show you the exact steps to do. It doesn't take long for me to show you. It is very simple. A lot of hidden tricks and gems that are online that I'm going to give you so you can start making that kind of real money. All right. So like I said, book a session if you want to make $150 every day. But in the meantime, I want you to download this app. Link to it is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts.